Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I decided to do Vlogmas this year again, or I should probably say I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas this year again because I've never been able to finish it from beginning to the end. Today I'm recording on December 1st, so it's the very first day. I'm super excited. Season is looking really nice for us and it's very light and bright and we have a lot of fun and exciting things happening, so I decided I'm gonna have a variety of different Vlogmas vlogs, things from Disney content to advent calendars to probably day in the life, which is something new for me that I'm gonna try this year, and definitely things that are like festive and holiday related. We live in New York City, if you didn't know, so we're definitely gonna try to get out to the city and see if we could do some festive things and take you guys along. So it's definitely going to be so much fun and I am so excited to share everything with you guys. As far as my advent calendars, I splurged on myself. These are my holiday gifts. I don't think I'm going to be getting myself anything else. Advent calendars have become so incredibly popular and I was like, I have to jump on this bandwagon as soon as possible because if you want to get the good ones, they sell out so quick. Like October, November, forget it, gone. You probably had to get them like in September. I haven't decided exactly how I'm gonna share the advent calendars with you guys because I will be doing different style of vlogs every day, but maybe somewhere in the middle of the vlog or beginning or towards the end of the vlog, I'm going to include the advent calendar so that way we can kind of like open them up together and have fun. But if I end up skipping a day or two of the advent calendars, just please bear with me. All right, so without further ado, let me show you the advent calendars that I got and I am so excited for them. So this first one came highly recommended from Jen LaForge. I will link her channel down below. She's an amazing YouTuber, she's an amazing friend, and this was amazing. And when I saw her open it up from beginning to the end, I said, I have to order it next year. And she was the one to say, if you want it, you gotta order early because this sells out. This is Skin Wellness Advent Calendar. This is by LMS and it's a UK brand and I am so excited. Jen LaForge has said that the products are amazing. It's definitely expensive, but it's definitely worth it because they do have, I think, 1 or 2 items that are full size. But the best part about it, or second best part about it, that first of all, the items are amazing and excellent quality, and then that you get full-size items, but you also have a lot of travel size items, which is important when you travel because sometimes, you know, you need a little moisturizer or this or that, or you want to take a little mask or a detox peel and you don't want to take a full size. And I don't like to take those traveling little containers because I've just never been able to find the one that I really like because they just always leak. So I'm so happy that I have this. It's beautiful. I want to say this advent calendar was $275 or maybe it was $375. I'm gonna find the price and put it over here, but the value of everything that's in here, I think it's over $750. So it's definitely worth it. So let me take the top off and show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so it's like this, and then you open it up, and this is what it looks like inside. And I think it is just so cute, so festive, and it's like my own little gift for 25 days. I think it's amazing. So you just kind of pull the item out and it's in a little box. Each box is a little bit different size. Some are bigger, some are smaller, some are taller, some are shorter. So let's open one together. This is box number 1. See what I have. They do have a cheat sheet, I think, on their website of everything that's inside this box, like just, you know, in case if you wanted to know, because it is a big investment. So this is what it is. So it's Superfood Day Cream, hydrating day cream. And I heard other creators say amazing things about this product, so I'm definitely excited to give it a try. Smell my products. So we're gonna open it up and smell it. It smells so nice. Very like earthy, natural kind of smells. I like it a lot. So I'm definitely excited. So like I said, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it because I want to try the products and then come back and tell you about them. And of course I want to open them up with you. So we'll just figure it out as we move along. And probably Thursday end of Vlogmas, or maybe sometime in January, I'll do like a whole review and let you know what were my favorite products by this brand. All right, so my next item, I found this by accident, and it is this champagne advent calendar. I was in Costco. I was, I think, looking for the Mickey house that they had, which they didn't have, and then I happened to stop by the liquor store that they have in Costco, and I found this advent calendar. So this one has 12 bottles, so it's like a 12-day countdown, and I just thought it was so good, so fun. And you also, like, you pull it out for each day. I mean, it's 12 bottles. They're small bottles, but I thought it's a fun advent calendar, and especially maybe when my mom is here and there, we can, you know, open 1 or 2 or 3 together and enjoy them, because this is definitely a lot of bottles. Open it for you and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so when you remove the top, this is what it looks like, and you literally just find your number and open it up. Okay, here's number 1. I'm gonna do it together. This is a nice one. Okay, hold on. I can't do everything at once. I've had this brand, but I've never had this one. And it's, you see the bottle? It's like, it's a small size. It's probably 1 glass of champagne. But look how cute this is. I know this is gonna be good. I do like this brand, and I've never had rosé, Prosecco, but I'm sure this is gonna be good. So I'll definitely come back and report. It wasn't so expensive. I think it was, I wanna say maybe like $45 or $49. It's reasonably priced. 12 bottles for about $45, $50 of single glass of champagne or sparkling wine or Prosecco, whatever you like to call it. So I think it's not too bad, and it's gonna be fun. All right, so my next advent calendar is a wine advent calendar, and it's also from Costco. They advertised this, I wanna say in the beginning of September, or maybe like mid-September, and I knew that I had to get it because it sells out so quick. So this was, I got this before, way before I got the champagne advent calendar, because the champagne advent calendar was just like, ooh, look at that. I was waiting for this wine advent calendar because I've been checking online and they were expensive, and some of them are like $150, $180, almost $200. And half of them have really small bottles, and this bottle is actually pretty big. I want to say it's like 2 wine glasses, so it has a pretty good serving. So I feel like, you know, when my mom is here or my friend is here, we can open it up and we can share it together. So I thought it was a much better purchase. So this was, I want to say I think it was $109, but correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it definitely wasn't more than like $110. I think it was $109. I'm pretty sure. So anyways, let me show it to you. It's really big and heavy because there's a lot of wine in here. So this is gonna be the only time I show you guys this box because it is incredibly heavy. So oof, this is what it looks like. And then when you open the top, it was sealed, I pre-cut it. This is what it looks like. Whew. You see? So again, you just push it in and get your bottle of wine out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it with you. I'm gonna push number 1. And just like that. Wait, was that number 1? Yes. And just like that, I have a bottle of wine. So you see, like, the size is much bigger than the champagne. Okay, give me a second. Let me put this down. First bottle of wine that I got and I'm excited to give it a try. Again, for comparisons, yes, the champagne was cheaper, but the champagne is 12 bottles and the bottles are much smaller, and this is 24 bottles and it's much bigger. So you see, just reading things that are on the box. So it says Advent calendar, 24 bottles, 375 ml, and it says taste wines from all over the world, and they have a QR code because it doesn't list the type of wines that they have in the box. So I scanned the QR code and it takes me to a page like this, which is like the top of the box, and I'm gonna hit number 1, and there is a video about this wine. So I think it's really cool. I didn't even look at this before. So it says all of this information about the wine, which I think is cool. Let's play the video really quick.
Right hook is what you didn't see coming. A Cabernet contender hailing from a formidable yet underappreciated wine region. Lying on the same latitude as Italy and Spain, and blessed with an optimal climate, Bulgaria is perfectly situated for fine.
Okay, so I guess it gives you a little presentation about the wine and where it's coming from and the history about probably that region. So I think this is such a cool gift, especially for someone who enjoys wines and doesn't want to spend too much money or doesn't want to buy bottles of wines that they might not enjoy. I think this size of wine is perfect, and I think it's just awesome. All right, this is future Anna. Or later on Anna, I should say. I'm gonna open up this bottle. I'm so excited. I'm making salmon for dinner and I'm gonna have this wine, and I'll let you know how it is. All right, the light is crazy. I wanted to sit on the couch, but the shadows, I don't know what's happening. So let's taste this wine. It's good. It's dry, but it's good. I like it. It's not sweet, not bitter, not sour. It's good. It's really good. I like it. The aroma coming from the glass is so good. I'm so happy with this advent calendar. I mean, I know I only opened one, but this is gonna be fun. I'm so happy that I was able to score these advent calendars this year. Just, I don't know, it just makes me so happy that I got something that I really wanted. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, kind of like introduction to what Vlogmas is gonna look like on our channel and my advent calendars. I'm super excited for this season. Like I said, we have a lot of things to share with you guys. We will have day in the life vlogs, we'll have festive holiday vlogs, we will have Christmas content, we will have Disney content. Definitely stay tuned for that, and a lot of other little things that are going to be happening in our lives over this holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you enjoyed the holiday season, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video, because I don't have a set time, but it's going to be every single day, so you definitely don't want to miss it. All right guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.